How to copy, fill, format cells and data in Excel. Copy and filling data. Select A to A5. Move pointer. Then drag the selection to move the selected cells to B6. Click Undo. Select cell A5, bottom right corner of cell A5. Fill handle symbol, then drag to A13. Select A1 to G13. Ctrl C. Then create new sheet as a expense 2019. Then Ctrl V. Select for Ctrl A whole data sheet. On the Home tab, in the cell group, click drop down arrow under Format. Click Auto Fit Column Width. Formatting cell and data. Download the file. Copy the value of B2 G3. These are two sheets, 2018 and 19. Formatting cell. Select the A1 to G13. Home tab table format as a table. Ensure that the option is My table has a header is checked, then OK. Then font group, click italic, font size 10 and style drop down box Arial. Formatting cell data. Select column B and shift right arrow. To select across, include column G. Home tab, number group, then number format currency. Select B2G again, home tab, number group, decrease decimal once. Click once. Select column B, 2G, column B to G. On Home tab, number group, accounting number, format dollar, drop down list and select English.